every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today, to be honest, I wasn't planning to film, but I just received some upsetting news and I thought that I need some calming activity. And cooking actually is that. I just need to forget myself and have something positive out of all of this. So when I looked over the ingredients list and various recipes that I prepared to film, I picked out the one with the longest list of them, and it's winter minestrone. My hope for this recipe is that it'll take me a long time to prepare everything and then cook. And I hope that this will help me feel better. So if you want to spend a little bit time with me, maybe forget yourself as well and just look at the ingredients turning into yummy food. Then keep on watching. We're gonna need 1 liter of beef stock, 400 grams of cannellini beans, drained and rinsed, 400 grams of diced tomatoes, 250 grams of butternut squash, diced, 100 grams of thick cut bacon, diced, 50 grams of ditalini pasta, 80 grams of Swiss chard, washed, 2 sweet potatoes, diced, 2 carrots, diced, 1 large onion, diced as well, 2 stalks of celery, diced, 2 cloves of garlic, sliced, 40 grams of tomato paste, 30 grams of olive oil, 6 grams of fresh parsley, roughly chopped, 1 sprig of fresh rosemary, 1 bay leaf, some parmesan, and salt and pepper. Happy to report that it actually took me a while to prepare all the ingredients, and I do already feel a little bit better. So now to a large pot, because I love cooking in large pots and pans just because the mixing is so much easier. I'm gonna add the olive oil. I'm gonna preheat it over a medium-high heat. Then I'm gonna add my bacon and cook for 2 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to remove my bacon from there with a slotted spoon, and then I will also remove some of the fat because I have so much of it now. I want somewhat like 2 tablespoons of it left. Not really sure how I'm gonna eye that, but let's see. Once I do that, I'm gonna add all of my veggies. Oh, I cannot see. Did I remove everything? I'm gonna add all of my veggies, which you can see here. Let's try to remember. I reduced the heat, by the way, so don't worry. I have butternut squash, I have sweet potatoes, carrots, onion, celery, garlic. So all of this I'm gonna add to the pot. I'm gonna season it with some salt and pepper and cook for 10 minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna add the Swiss chard and cook for 2 more minutes. By the way, I had to Google this. Is this Swiss chard? Are these the leaves of beets? Because that's what I have. They look pretty much the same, just baby ones, little ones. I'm so curious. Let me know. Did I do good? Is this Swiss chard? Okay, now I'm going to add the tomato paste, and while stirring constantly so that I will help it to be awakened, I'm gonna cook it for 30 seconds. Alrighty, and now I'm going to add pretty much everything else. The beef stock, and everything else. The beans, the chopped tomatoes, the bacon, rosemary, bay leaf. I'm gonna bring everything to a boil, and once it comes to a boil, I'm gonna reduce the heat to medium or medium-low and gonna simmer it for 45 minutes. Okay, this is how it looks after 45 minutes. This smells really good. Okay, now I want to fish out the rosemary stem, the bay leaves. I have two just because they were really little. I'm gonna add my pasta and cook for 8 minutes. And oh, by the way, I'm gonna increase the heat back to medium-high. Problem holding it. Wait, I should take a kitchen mitten. One sec. The plate is really hot. So let's do like so. I have more so a stew than a soup. Potentially, I'd be able to stretch this out into a soup. Quite a lot, I feel like. Ooh, this smells really good. I'm so happy it took me so long to cook this. I was just taking my sweet time with it. Oh, this will be so flavorful. I'm so excited. Oh, it's so nice to feel normal and excited again. Okay. Ooh, oh my god. It's so flavorful. Do you know this feeling when you take something into your mouth and you're sort of not prepared for that and it kind of like seizes your mouth? I don't even know how to describe it. It kind of did that. It's so flavorful. Ooh. Okay, I want some more. Oh, I can definitely thin it out. It will be such a great soup. It's it's like I know 5 words in English. Flavorful. It's not winter right now, but man, did I make a good choice of trying this recipe today? Oh. You know, it's one of those moments when I'm proud of myself. When you feel like you might spiral down, but then you decide to do something and then that actually makes you feel better. And it's, well, if you're grown up, you know that it's not that easy when you're really feeling not that well to just, you know, pull yourself together and do what you know would be beneficial for you. So I'm quite pleased with myself, and I will have a ginormous pot of soup/stew for the upcoming week. Okay, let me take another bite of this. Oh, do I love Laura's soups/stews. This makes me feel like I'm taking care of myself. This is, okay, minus the bacon, which by the way gives so much flavor here. Everything else is super healthy, so I don't know about you, but I'm giving a plus for myself for looking after myself during these hard times and uneasy, unsettling times. Before I finish this whole thing together, which, as you can see, I can easily do. Okay, I will ask you to compare how I did, never know which side it is, versus Laura's recipe. I feel like hers is a little, but like a tiny bit more like a soup, but colors and all the ingredients, because I'm using the same, are exactly the same. Oh, I'm very pleased with myself. I feel like you want to do this to me, don't ya? Thank you, I appreciate that. If you want to watch Laura make this, the link is there. I really hope it's there. if you want to try this recipe out, because these are actually quite, you know, not that they're affordable, but easier to find ingredients. You can check the written recipe in the description box down below in both American and the metric systems, just because I am converting every single recipe I try into the metric system as Abigail, who uses it. So thank you so much for spending this time with me. I hope I didn't make you depressed, but I feel in the end better, so I hope you do too. I hope you're staying safe, that you're all well, that your family's safe and well, and I hopefully will see you very soon. Bye!